The Filipino antonyms sa loob, which means inside in English, and sa labas, which means outside in English. Sa loob, sa labas. Sa loob, sa labas. Basahin mo ang nakasulat sa loob ng sobre. Read what is written inside the envelope. Basahin, basa is to read. Mo is you, sulat is like to write, nakasulat is like written. And then sa loob is inside, and then a sobre is an envelope or a letter. Basahin mo ang nakasulat sa loob ng sobre. Sa labas ng paaralan, naghihintay ang jeep. The jeepney is waiting outside the school. Sa labas is outside, paaralan is school. Hintay is like wait, naghihintay is waiting. And then a jeep is a jeepney. Sa labas ng paaralan, naghihintay ang jeep. Sa loob ng puso niya, siya ay masaya. Deep inside his or her heart, he or she is happy. Loob is inside and then puso is heart. Niya is his or her, it's gender neutral. And then siya is he or she, it's also gender neutral. Masaya is happy. Sa loob ng puso niya, siya ay masaya. Hindi ko nakita ang mga sasakyan sa labas. I didn't see the vehicles outside or outdoors. Hindi means like didn't. Nakita, kita is like the see. That's the root word. And then sasakyan is a car. And then mga is like the plural marker. So mga sasakyan, vehicles or cars. And then sa labas is outside. Hindi ko nakita ang mga sasakyan sa labas. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms sa loob, which is inside in English, and sa labas, which is outside. Sa loob, sa labas. Sa loob, sa labas.